In today's video, we will see some advanced functions or formulas of Excel. To activate these functions or formulas, we will have to go in Home tab. We'll come in extreme right hand side. We get the option of add-ins. We will click on add-ins. We'll come at the bottom and we'll click on more add-ins. New window will pop up. On the top, we get the option to search. We will look for ChatGPT and we'll click on search icon. Lots of options will be visible. We will come down. Over here we get the option of Chat GPT for Excel. Twistly cells. We will click on add. In my case, I have already added this feature, so I'll close this. Once this will be added, it will look something like this. Now we can use our advanced functions or formulas. And those formulas are plus or equal to AI. And over here we get lots of new functions or formulas like ask, choice, extract, fill, format, list, table, translate. We will cover all one by one. Let's move to very first example. Our very first example is AI.ASK. Ask clearly says that we can ask anything. So over here we will be asking a formula from Excel. And my question over here is, what Excel formula should I use to calculate the total salary in column F only if the job role in column G is a manager? Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI. We will select AI.ASK. Bracket open. Now we have to provide our prompt, and our prompt is our question. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. In the beginning, it will be showing busy, but within seconds, our reply or response will be generated. Let's increase the row size. And AI has suggested us the function or formula of SUMIF. Now we can copy this formula and paste in our desired sheet. In case you want to ask something else, just put your question on the top and no need to change the formula, and reply will be auto-generated. Let's move to next example. AI.Choice. Over here on the left hand side, we have got some random statements or random sentences. And from these statements or sentences, we have to take out most relevant choice. Like the very first sentence is, the delivery was super fast and the packaging was great. And our choices are positive, neutral or negative. We can clearly see that this is a positive statement. In the same way, we have got whale and elephant. And we want to know what is the most relevant reply over here. Mammal, bird, reptile, amphibian or fish. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. This time I'll select AI dot choice. Bracket open, value. This is my value, comma, choices. My choices are positive, neutral or negative. I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. And we got most relevant as positive. Let's drag this down and all the replies got generated. If we come to the bottom, over here our statement is handled recruitment, payroll and employee engagement. So who takes care of all this? Finance, HR, marketing, IT or sales. So most relevant over here is HR. Perfect. Let's move to next example. AI.Extract. On the left hand side, we have got our statements in which we have got country name as well as city name. In some statements, we have got just city name and there's no country name. And on the right hand side, we want to extract city name from these sentences. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. I'll select AI dot extract. Bracket open, value. I'll click on my statement, comma, what we have to extract? We have to extract city name. So I'll insert double inverted comma city, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. And we got the city name over here. We can also do one thing. I'll double click over here, we'll delete all, and we'll select my range from top to bottom, comma. This time I'll not type city manually, instead I'll take cell reference. We'll click on top and we'll hit enter. And we got the desired result. What will happen if I select country over here? I'll click on top, we'll double click on the formula. We'll come in the end. We'll delete my cell reference of city and we'll select country and we'll hit enter. This time we got all the countries. In few statements, there was no country, So we can see not found. Let's move to next example. AI.Fill. On the left hand side, we have got country names, and on the right hand side, we want capital, biggest city, smallest city. For few countries, we have got the details, but for many countries, details or data are missing. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. This time we will select AI dot fill. Example. These are our examples, comma, partial. For which countries we want the data? For these countries. So I have selected from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got all the details. No need to go to Google or no need to go to web chat GPT. And desired results are just in front of us. Let's move to next example. AI.Format. On the left hand side, we have got our data, and on the right hand side, we want our data in these formats. If we see the first example, over here we have got the name, but the name is in lower case, and we want the name in proper case. In the same way, date format is different over here, and we want our date format in DD, MMM, and YYY format, means date, month, and year format. Over here we have got dollar, and we want dollar in Indian currency. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. This time I'll select AI dot format value. This is my value. Let's select just one cell, comma, format. I want this format. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got the desired result. Let's drag this down. Our date format got changed. When we see the rupee value, it got converted. Over here, we can see Delhi in different column and India in different column. In the same way, hello world. If I'll do this, uppercase, enter, we got uppercase over here. Perfect. Let's move to next example. AI.List. Over here we want list of these things. On the top I have created drop downs. Let's select 10 popular Indian cities. So I want AI to generate the list according to my question. Let's use the formula plus or equal to AI dot. This time we will select AI dot list. Prompt. I'll select the question from my drop down, comma. We want our reply in horizontal way or vertical way. So I want in vertical way. I'll click over here. In case you want, you can type manually. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. In the beginning, it will be showing busy, but within seconds, our reply or response will be generated. And we got 10 popular Indian cities. Let's change the question. Let's do as top 5 car brands. And we got desired result. If I'll change my question once again, top 10 world tourist destinations, we got the reply. Let's move to next example. AI.Table. Over here, we want list of 10 famous tech companies with headquarters location, their revenue and number of total employees. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. I'll be selecting AI.Table, bracket open, prompt. My question is my prompt. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got the desired result along with headers, company name, headquarter location, revenue, and number of employees. When we come to right hand side, we haven't got any data because we wanted the details till number of employees. Let's update our statement. I want start year, products, and founder. We'll hit enter. Our data is getting refreshed and we got the desired result. Let's come to right hand side. We got start year, products, and founder's name. Perfect. Let's move to next and last example. AI.Translate. On the top, I have got list of my languages. Over here, I have got two statements or paragraph, and I want to translate both of these. Let's use our formula plus or equal to AI dot. I'll be selecting AI dot translate text. This is my text, comma, target language. Let's insert target language manually. Double inverted comma, Hindi. Double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. And our statement or paragraph got translated in Hindi. Let's come down. Let's insert our formula over here. Plus or equal to AI dot. I'll be selecting AI dot translate text. This is my text, comma, target language. Let's go on top and let's click on the language. Bracket close and I'll hit enter. And our statement or paragraph got translated in German. Let's click on drop down and let's select different language, that is Arabic. And we got the desired result. So these were the few examples of advanced functions or formulas of Excel based on AI. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.